This is the ABUS plug lockout that can go over the top of the two plug ends when connected together. They come in two sizes for high voltage and standard. One is the P110 and the larger one is the 550. In this case, in this diagram, it's connecting it while the two sockets are together. They can be used obviously on one end or the other to lock it off while the plug is open, like I will show here on our lockout station. So you take the plug and it literally just covers the entire thing. You then lock it off, and if the 4 holes in it already are not enough, you can easily supplement it with a lock-off hasp as well. It's made of thermoplastic, it's non-conductive, resistant to heat, the same as most of the lock-off things. It's also got space for warning labels should your health and safety policy require that, and another space on the back if you want to make it person specific. So that's your belt and braces approach for a cable for a plug lockout, as opposed to the smaller version that just goes onto the male end.